Greetings, comic friends. You probably know what this means. Recognize the box, recognize the fragile, recognize the stamps for registered mail. It is a box from CGC. So this is part of an order that I believe is 9/8 pre-screens. This is only one part of it. It's actually, so this is the part of the order that was 25, and there's another box that hey pup, that is going to be, I think, 18, but that one hasn't arrived yet. So I'm going to crack this open. I haven't looked at grades. I don't remember what's in here exactly, but I haven't looked at grades. I don't know how well we did. I do believe this is their full 25 slab box, so that's a good sign. Doesn't mean that they all got graded, but at least it's not like only 10 of them got graded, right? So in this order, it's all moderns, modern 9.8 pre-screens. There's books in here for a number of people. There's some in here for me. Some which are, I think, maybe some are personal, some are for sale, and then there's some for, I think, a handful of customers as well. So I don't know what to expect. I will go ahead and slice this open, and we'll see how we did. One thing I've noticed, I have a number of outstanding orders with CGC still, and I'm finding that, I can't remember exactly when they received this one. It definitely isn't my oldest one, but from what I can see, I have orders from all different tiers, from modern to value to whatever their other ones are called. That modern ones they're getting through fairly quickly. I will have, actually, let's see if I can find this here real quick, just as a curiosity. So this order they received on 7, hey. So in July, late July, as modern. I have an order going back as late as May that hasn't been filled yet, and that's a value tier. Hey, not right now, okay, Pop? So they seem to either be, and then I have, yeah, I mean I have economies and standards and magazines and all kinds of crazy stuff out there, but from what I'm seeing, they're either prioritizing moderns, or they're getting done with moderns a lot faster than with the other tiers. I'm not sure why, but that's kind of what I'm seeing based upon all the orders I have and the kinds of tiers that they are. I'm definitely getting moderns back much quicker. Okay. It looks like raw books, but it's not a lot. It might just be one, which that's pretty good. I would be okay with that. Let's see what the book that did not pass the pre-screen. What's the best way to do this? Let's see how this did. I think it's just one. It is just one. And this looks like it is a Something is Killing the Children, #1. I don't remember if this is what print or exclusive it is. I don't recall. Oh, this is a second print. So, Something is Killing the Children, #1, second print, did not pass the pre-screen. There are a number of significant spine ticks on it. So I can see why it didn't pass. Whether or not those were there when it was sent in, I guess I can't say, because I don't imagine that this would have... Who knows? I don't think that would have been sent in as a 9A candidate. So once it is in their hands, who knows what happens. That is unfortunate. So let's see what we got. No need to hide grades, because everything that's left is 9.8s. Some of these I might remember whose they are, and some I might not. It's been a while. I'll have to go back and check my submission list. But we'll see what we have. We have a Department of Truth. This is the A cover. I'm pretty sure this is mine. I've sent in a lot of Department of Truth stuff, so odds are that this is mine. A B cover. Okay, cool. I think I do remember sending in a handful of these. A We Live 1. I think this is just the regular A cover. Yep. I think I have a number of these now, actually. So if you're interested in any of these, let me know. Some of them, a lot of these are probably for sale either from me or from who owns them. So, I mean, it doesn't hurt to ask. But these ones so far, I think in some capacity will be for sale. Well, I mean, at least one of these, right? Another We Live. Another Department of Truth, A cover. So, got at least one of those available. And, yeah, I know the back of this one. Wow. I sent a lot of these in. Oh, boy. Okay, so if anyone needs Department of Truth, A cover, and a 9.8, please hit me up. Hachi Machi. What did I do? I'm hoping there's some other books in here other than We Live and Department of Truths. Okay, this is different. Okay, Daredevil #25, second printing. Cool. Love this book. I think I have my copy of is that Orzu cover or Mac cover up there. Third printing of Daredevil 25. I do not believe those are mine. Oh, cool. So New Mutants 13, the Colossus Timeless. This might be mine. I might have got this for myself just because I love Colossus. Have to go to the notes. And of course my notes include the box that has not arrived yet, so that needs to get worked out too. Department of Truth third printing. Seems like an odd one to care about. Oh, that's cool. Strange Academy 6, the Nakayama Virgin. That's cool. I do not believe that's mine. Oh, Proctor Valley Road, the one per store. I really liked this book. I'm pretty sure this is mine. I'm not sure if I'm keeping it or if I'm selling it. I'm not really sure what it goes for. The stack is getting really high. I'm getting worried about it. Hopefully we're through all the Department of Truth. I did not expect half of this box to be Department of freaking Truth. Oh, Berserker. This is the was this the incentive? No. No, I'm thinking that Something Is Killing the Children. 8th printing is the incentive from Berserker. So this is just the Brooks Virgin variant of Berserker. A fun book. Oh, Maniac of New York #1, retailer incentive. I'm pretty sure this is mine because this is just another book that I really, really liked. Spider Force #1, Robson variant cover. Phantom Starkiller #1, the Combs Virgin edition. That's such a cool book. I missed this one. I'm not sure if it's any good, but I really like all the covers in the character design that I've seen for this. I think have been really interesting. So this is the foil, hollow foil edition of it. Oh, there's 2 of these. Another one of the Strange Academy 6. Neat. Something Is Killing the Children #2, 4th printing. Another Berserker. This is the Brooks Virgin Sketch Edition. Getting down to the bottom, got 2 more. ASM 55. Cool. Still a super cool cover. And the last one is another Spider Force variant. What is this? First appearance of the new Spider Kid, Astro Spider, in cameo. I don't know. I didn't read Spider Force, so I'm not sure. So far, I mean, still have 18 more to go. Hopefully that will be arriving soon. But so far, I mean, 24 out of 25 is definitely not bad. So I'll have that other video, I suppose, or the other opening soon-ish, I suppose. Hopefully it was just as well. Hopefully there's a high hit rate. Like to see that high hit rate. Only once have I had a box of 25 9/8 pre-screens and all 25 came back as graded, but just one off is nothing to scoff at either. So let me know your thoughts. Sorry it was so Department of Truth heavy. I had forgotten that I had sent so many of those in. Hopefully the next box won't have any of those, and they were all just in this first one. I don't know. Who knows? But let me know your thoughts. If you have any interest in any of these, hit me up on my Facebook or Instagram. I'm not sure off the top of my head which are going to be completely available. Some are pretty obvious. Any that you saw the word multiples. Probably at least one of them is going to be for sale. So let me know if there's any interest, and we can either work something out, or I can point you to who the owner of the book is, and you can work it out with them. But yeah, that's it. Thanks. Let me know what your thoughts. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Let me know what your experiences with CGC has been lately. Things are definitely slow, but eventually everything will come back, I suppose. But let me know your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to make yours Titan. This video was brought to you by Titan Comic Pressing. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Titan Comic Pressing LLC.